Police Department. A kid named Jacob Conklin was taken from his parents at around 2:45 p.m. He is dark-skinned, has short black hair, is around 14 to 15 years of age. He is 5 foot 9 inches tall, and weight of 160. If you see the child, do not panic. Call the Eaglewood Police Department at 775-443-9297. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this developing situation. Civil danger warning. This message is transmitted at the request of the Eaglewood Emergency Services. A strange person was seen around South Texas Boulevard and Jackson Avenue with the child. During this time, we advise all residents to not get into contact with the kidnapper. All physical contact is ill-advised and can put your life at risk. If you spot the kidnapper, contact one of the Eaglewood Emergency Services and keep calm. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this developing situation. Civil danger warning. This message is transmitted at the request of the Eaglewood Emergency Services. The strange person last seen at South Texas Boulevard and Jackson Avenue was seen trying to leave Eaglewood. The Amber Alert for the child is lifted, as the child was found dead in his bedroom of his house. We advise all residents of Eaglewood to resist from any physical contact and keep away from the person. Contact the Eaglewood Emergency Services if you spot the person. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this developing situation. Shelter in place. This message is transmitted at the request of the Eaglewood Emergency Services. The kidnapper is not a real person. Repeat, the kidnapper is not a real person. When the police cornered the kidnapper in front of the Eaglewood gates, it revealed itself as a black humanoid creature. We advise all residents of Eaglewood to shelter in place and prepare for a potential home invasion. If the creature spots you, hide somewhere and stay put. If you have a weapon, use it to your full extent. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
When I die, I wanna go to Snow Bunny heaven. Yeah.
Leon's real black, I'm real white. But keep putting me on this track, cause I have racks, and I eat tax. Yeah.
Layton's gay. Every time he says let's kiss, I say okay. Oh, that's so face sway. Every time Layton plays a game, it's a delay. Every time Layton shoots, I always say hooray. And then Keelan.
Evacuate alert. This message is transmitted at the request of the Eaglewood Emergency Services. All residents in the Southern Division of the Eaglewood neighborhood is to calmly and discreetly evacuate the area. An unknown person reported the creature was seen entering the Southern Division. We advise all residents of the Southern community to leave the scene immediately. Do not draw attention towards yourself. Take essentials only and don't take anything that will slow you down. Civil danger warning. This message is transmitted at the request of the Eaglewood Emergency Services. During the investigation of the Southern Division, a person fatally injured was looking around. When the police tried to help the person, they got attacked and left multiple deputies in critical condition. So far, the creature is still at large but is believed to be near the Payette School of Academics. At this time, we advise all residents near the Payette School of Academics to shelter in place and stay vigilant. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. Shelter-in-place warning is in effect. This message is transmitted at the request of the Eaglewood Emergency Services. Shelter-in-place warning for areas around the Payette School of Academics. Although the creature is still at large, we suspect the creature has entered the school. Anyone near the Payette School of Academics is to shelter in place and prepare for any altercations. We advise all residents of Huron Avenue and Gamma Gym Way to shelter in place. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. All clear. This message is transmitted at the request of the Eaglewood Emergency Services. An unknown organization entered the Payette School of Academics and successfully captured the creature. The creature was never killed, and it is unknown if the creature will be executed. We at the Eaglewood Emergency Services would like to appreciate all the cooperation in this attack. We value all of our residents and their families. Although the threat is over, it might happen again. So please, stay safe and stay on the lookout. Regular programming will resume.